Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to Nasra Public School online teaching system. This is lesson 1 part C and the topic is exponent. Student, in this lecture we will solve question number 3 of your course book exercise 4a, and the question is find the value of. Part A, we have a question 8 plus under root 64. In this type of questions, we break the numbers into factors and write in terms of powers. So, here we have 8 is equals to 2 power 3 and 64 is equals to 8 power 2. So instead of 8 we will write 2 power 3 and instead of 64 we will write under root 8 power 2. The square on 8 will cancel the square root and the answer will be 8. In next step we have 2 power 3 plus 8. Again write this 8 in power. So we will write 2 power 3 instead of 8. Now we have 2 power 3 plus 2 power 3. Same bases are being added. There is no law for the same basis addition, but as we have same power, so we will add the basis and apply the power once time. 2 plus 2 whole power 3. Here 3 is the power. 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. 4 power 3 means 4 is being multiplied by itself 3 times. 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4 and it's equals to 64. 64 is the required answer. In the next question, part C, we have under root 25 plus 5 upon 5. 25 is equals to 5 power 2. So write 5 power 2 instead of 25. Under root 5 power 2 plus 5 upon 5. The square always cancel the square root. So here square on 2 will cancel the square root. It will become 5 plus 5 upon 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. So 10 upon 5 is the next answer. When we divide 10 by 5, we get the answer 2. This is the task you have to do in your notebooks. Here is a new question. In this question, we have 25 upon 15 whole power 4 is being divided by a fraction 125 upon 64 whole power 2 is being multiplied by a third fraction 625 upon 32 whole power minus 1. We have 3 fractions. To solve the first fraction, we will break 25 in power and 25 is equals to 5 power 2 as we solved in the previous example. 25 is equals to 5 square, so we will write 5 square instead of 25. We can't break 15 in power, so we write the factors of 15, that are 3 multiplied by 2. In next fraction, 125 is equals to 5 power 3 and 64 is equals to 2 power 6. The whole power is 2. As you can see, third fraction has negative power, so do reciprocal of third fraction to make power positive. In the next step, you can see that we have two bases in division to same basis 5 power 2 and 5 power 1. So we will minus the power of denominator from the power of numerator. So we will write 5 power 2 minus 1 upon 3 and the whole power is 4. Divide by, in the next section, we will apply the whole power individually. Apply power 2 on 5 power 3 and also apply power 2 on 2 power 6. After the reciprocal of third fraction, it will become 32 upon 625 with positive power 1. In the next step, apply the whole power individually on the numbers. When we will apply 4 on 5 power 1, it will become 5 power 1 multiplied by 4. And when we will apply 4 on 3, it will become 3 power 4. Divide sign. The next fraction will become 3 2s are 6. 5 power 6 upon 2 power 6 2s are 12. Now break the third fraction in power. As we know, 32 is equals to 2 power 5 and 625 is equals to 5 power 4. So write the powers instead of numbers. In the next step, 5 power 4 and 3 has power 4. Now what we did? We take the reciprocal. Why we do the reciprocal? We do the reciprocal to make the divide sign or to change the divide sign into multiply, so that we can solve the fractions easily. When we will do the reciprocal, actually we changed the denominator into numerator and numerator into denominator. So the number 2 with power 12 now will become the numerator, and number 5 with power 6 is denominator now. Similarly, write down the third fraction as it is. In next step, we will write the 5 in separate. We have 5 power 4 in numerator and 5 power 6 multiplied by 5 power 4 in denominator. As you can see in previous step, this is being multiplied with 2 power 12 multiplied 2 power 5 upon 3 power 4. 5 power 4 in first fraction. In the denominator, we have two same bases, 5 with power 6 and 5 with power 4. It means we have same basis but different powers. So we will add the powers because two different bases are being multiplied. So according to law, whenever two same bases are being multiplied, we add the powers. After adding the powers, we will get a new power, which is 6 plus 4, 10. In the next fraction, you can see in numerator we also have two same bases with different powers. 2 power 12 multiplied by 2 power 5. So we will add the powers considering a single base. 12 plus 5 is equals to 15. So we will write 2 power 15. And the denominator 3 power 4 will be written as it is. Now we have same basis in division. 5 power 4 is being divided by 5 power 10. Here, according to law, we will minus the power of denominator from the power of numerator. The power of numerator is 4 and the power of denominator is 10. So subtract 10 from 4. 4 minus 10 will become minus 6. Why minus 6? When we subtract 4 and 10, we get 6. But as we have a greater number 10 and it has a sign minus, so we will write the minus sign with the answer. Here the answer will become 5 power minus 6. Okay, in the next fraction we have 2 power 17, means 2 is being multiplied by itself 17 times. So when we will multiply 2 by 17 times, we will get 131,072 divided by 81. 81 is the answer of 3 power 4. Means we will multiply 3 4 times to get 81. In the next step, we do the reciprocal of 5 to make the power positive. So it will become 1 upon 5 power 6. And the second fraction will be written as it is. In the next step, what we did? We solve the number 5 power 6. Means we multiply 5 6 times by itself. When we multiply 5 by itself 6 times, we get 3152. Now multiply 3152 with 81 to get a new answer. Then divide both the numbers. We have 0.5178 as our answer. Students, hope you get the concept of exponents. In this lecture, students, we completely study the negative, positive and zero rule of exponents, and also we applied these rules to solve the related problems. We also learned how to implement reinforced application of laws of indices, and we applied them on numbers involving whole number as well as rational exponents. Keep practicing. Take care. Allah Hafiz.